again, I'm going to do a left in a moment, and that's another road I've never been on before, and it's a off the beaten track road. Yeah, 500 feet, turn left. So where are we? This must be it. Yep. So again, never been up here. So let's go exploring. How can you do national speed limit down lanes like this? Bit steep. Up again. What's this sign? Rear back this way. That's the only one. That miserable bugger all on his own. Billy no mates. It's a cattle grid. Yep. First one today. Nice. Camping barn. Some activity centre. Hey. Come on. You. What a place this is. Right, bench. Brilliant. Stone circle. See, I saw something on the internet about that. Oh. I had every intention of stopping a lot more today for some photos, but obviously the road's too narrow really to be stopping, but I just want to ride it. I'm not bothered about riding it fast. Oh, look at this. Fabulous. You don't want to go up there. Oh, this is beautiful. The laughable thing is I'm only about 25 mile from home as the crow flies. Where on earth am I? Oh, fantastic. Oh, way up. I had planned to go down there. Let's go and turn around and go the planned route. Looks like this is as far as I can go anyway. Yep. So, looks like I've got another gate to open. Look at that, that's the road I've just come down. Shut the gate. Stay there. Get off, you bugger. Looks like there's cows on the track. Brilliant. Loving it. Just hope there's no balls. I've got a red bike. Where are you going? Where are you going, lad? Come on, out the way. Come on. God. That's it, that's it. Go on, bugger off. Go on. That's it. Oh, loving this, loving it. Oh, go lambs. This is fantastic. Don't scare the lambs. That's it. Oh, brilliant. I've got to check my mirror and make sure they're not chasing me. Oh God. Look at this. I am loving this. I'm having a minute here. Oh, absolutely brilliant. Hey. Oh my God. This. I just need a Scottish accent. I sound like Mr. Smart, Mr. Bruce. Teapot One. Look at this. There's that farmhouse there. We're going to go to the right towards Littledale Public Road. Well, this is public road as well. I've enjoyed that, but I'm guessing that's the road we're going up. Jesus, look at it. Where's that go? Oh, I better get back through. Don't want to let the sheep through. Look at this. Got one there. I thought they were sheep as well, but just rocks. Brilliant. It's a catchphrase of Mr. Veda's about travelling the road least travelled. Oh, hey up, another gate. Yeah, travelling the road least travelled. And I'm guessing I'm certainly doing that today. I think we'll just wheel it through. Guessing there'll be another gate up here. Trying not to go too fast or anything to scare the sheep. Before anybody says it, this is not off-roading, but this is probably as close as I want to get to off-roading. God, He's a big bugger. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. Try not to stand in any shit. Are you going to stay open?